خلق. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. Honorable President of the Tarango Anushthan Chanbachaitil Madrasa, my sincere congratulations to my dear teacher and Madrasa house. My sincere greetings and congratulations throughout. Thus present, I am informed of the life of this more verses and hadith of this Quran. I able child to take up this Islamic education inshallah. Honorable presence, as long as human civilization is all, the as of education is of the same. Education is human civilization on the travels. And the weather is Rabbul Alamin said to Habib in his gate. One suggested belief in the name of your Lord who created you. Not only this, our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is obligatory upon every Muslim to study religions. The point says clear freedom the above discussion that Islamic education is the backbone of the nation. Just cannot imagine a man without easy. So one cannot imagine a nation in good education and help to advance our country of the nation. I end my short speech with this. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Next, chest number E. Chest number E.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Rojamin Galib. I am Purbogoni Kerala Model Madrasa from. I am speaking about the supremacy of the Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the field of democracy that he ruled. When the world was in deep shadow of illiteracy and full of unfair, illegal activities, he came in a light of wisdom. In that time, there was man, but no mankind. There was heart without hardness. He came, he saw, he conquered. Lakhs men are started to join Islam. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a light of Al-Quran. Al-Quran helped to rule a spread to Islam in the world. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.